Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very easy, very simple and very delicious recipe. It's a cauliflower gratin or a gratin or a bake. This is a very relatively simple recipe. It calls for about 3 ingredients at most and doesn't take much time, and this, even anyone who hates cauliflower or vegetables in general, you can make this and you can eat it and you're not even going to notice it. So let's just head to the kitchen. I'll show you guys how to make it. So what you'll need is a medium cauliflower, thoroughly cleaned and washed, 3 eggs, half a cup of cooking cream, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 2 tablespoons of parsley, and we're using 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. You can use as much or as little as you want, depends on what you want or what you like. Salt as much as you want, half a teaspoon of white pepper and a teaspoon of paprika, and a very little pinch of nutmeg. The first step is taking your cauliflower and steaming it over medium heat for about 10 minutes. So now we just put it over our steamer. You can also boil it if you want, but I feel like steaming it will be a lot healthier. Now that the cauliflower has steamed and we let it cool down, it's very important we now make our mixture for the bake. So we put in our eggs in a medium bowl. We add in our cooking cream, the garlic, parsley, our spices, and lastly just a hint of nutmeg. And now we mix it all together using a whisk. After mixing all of this and incorporating all of the ingredients, we come to a baking tray and we lay in our cauliflower. We layer it. After adding in the layer of cauliflower, we add in a little bit of our mixture, and this is done just to evenly incorporate the mixture into all of the cauliflower. Now we just pour in the rest of our mixture. So now we just add in our Parmesan cheese. We sprinkle it all over on top. You can add more if you want, you can add less, it depends on your preference. It would also give us that golden brown layer on top that we really know in like bakes and gratin. So now we just put it in the oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. So this is what it looks like after it comes out of the oven. We just took it out, so it's still sizzling. But yeah, it smells amazing, so we'll just let it cool down and we'll meet you when we serve it. So this is what it looks like after you slice it and present it on a plate. You can see these crispy edges, the crispy top, and the soft inside. It's still hot, but it actually tastes good. And because we added the cheese and the eggs and the spices, you don't really taste the cauliflower. So it all covers the cauliflower. You just get the texture, which is actually a good one. This brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Remember, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe with everyone. I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.